Alright friends, let's talk about SUI. As you know, we broke our all-time high at around $2 and right now we are trading below it. So as you can see, this is the $2 mark, right? The last all-time high, and right now we're trading below it. Now let's take a look on CoinMarketCap and you will see also here, yeah, the last 7 days were quite, sideways action. So we haven't seen much here for SUI. If we take a look on the 1 minute, on the 1 month, then you will see, yeah, we are still good. We're still following the trend. We're making higher highs and higher lows all the way to the upside. Now, if we take a look on the volume, you can see that the volume is picking up the last 24 hours, so it's a good sign. And yeah, I like the fact that we're still sitting at around 5 billion market cap. So it's quite obvious that the last 7 days was exactly the same. Yeah, so people are still bullish here for SUI. As you can see on CoinMarketCap, 82% to the upside. The sentiment is bullish. Now guys, I hope you're trading on Bybit because of the fact that we have this competition here going on. Let me know if you're doing good on this competition here. Now let's get into SUI, right? So now on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the moving averages are now pointing to the downside. So we got this low here at around $1.86, right? And the high at around $2. So now in my opinion, guys, we have to wait. We have to see if we're breaking this low here or if we're getting back to $2 and breaking this to the upside. These are my two scenarios. This is what I'm waiting for. $1.86 was quite good. I wanna switch on a daily, then you will see, right? So $1.86 was a good support here. I think we also hit the we're also at the 20 moving average. So yeah, we might see some I think we might see a retest of this area here and then a consolidation again to $2. I'm not seeing a huge break to the downside. I mean, people took profit at around $2.40, right? This was our all-time high. We broke this to the upside. People took profits. Some people went into some short positions, and right now we just need to wait if we're getting back above $2 or are we breaking $1.86, right? Now, if we're breaking this to the downside, if we're breaking $1.86 to the downside, we might see SUI coming back to $1.70 to the big support at this place here, right? We got a lot of trading here at this place starting from $1.65 to $1.70. This is the part where I think people will maybe get into some long positions again, but you have to be really cautious here because we don't know when Bitcoin will or where will Bitcoin will go. As you know, we broke this channel here to the upside. We found support at around 65k again. So I would not surprised if Bitcoin decides to pump again to the upside the next weeks or days. Right now it's looking quite good because we found support, we found exactly at 65k, we found the support, and this is a good sign. This is what I told you weeks before. We need to break this to the upside, then make a confirmation on this trend line here and then pump again to the upside. This is a textbook pattern here, and if this will play out, then guys, we might head again to the upside to 80k, 90k, 100k, I don't know. But the weekly is still strong, right? The weekly is still bullish here as long as we're not breaking below 60k again, right? We need to hold above this trend line here. And as soon as I'm seeing that we're breaking 60k to the downside, then I think we might get back to 55 again, right? So it's quite easy for me. I will follow Bitcoin. I will follow SUI. And yeah, I will keep you up to date because I think that this is a good area where we can possibly can join into some positions here. So the weekly, right, on the other hand, the weekly is right now not looking the best, but yeah, also here guys, you can see $1.86 was exactly this high here, the weekly support. So I'm looking at these levels here right now, right? This was the all-time high.
at around $2, then $1.86 is the weekly support, and then I want to see the weekly support at around $1.60. This is the you know, the chart, or the the levels I'm looking right now. Yeah, I'm quite bullish here for SUI in the immediate, I would not say short term, but I'm bullish as soon as Bitcoin decides to get back to 70k, right? Alright guys, that's it for now. Let me know what you're thinking. For SUI, I'm still seeing bullish momentum on the MACD, so that's why I don't think that we might, you know, flip in the next days, because the trend is your friend and the momentum is bullish on the weekly. On the daily it's bearish. That's why I'm hoping for some support at around $1.60 to 70, as I told you guys. With that being said, I will see you in the next one, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.